Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out the best brad nailers. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Wen Pneumatic Brad Nailer. Many budget nail guns skimp on the quality, but the Wen 61721 pneumatic brad nailer tackles most common DIY tasks with ease. Designed to fire 18-gauge brads 3/8 inch to 2 inches in length, this nail gun is a good starter or secondary gun if you are looking to expand your tool collection. The gun works with any air compressor and can operate anywhere from 60 to 115 psi, ensuring you have enough power to drive a nail down into tough materials. Features a depth adjustment wheel, a nail gauge, a rotatable exhaust, and a quick-release 106 nail capacity magazine. For additional comfort, the gun includes a rubber grip built right into the handle. The rubber absorbs the shock that courses up the nail gun with each shot, which can make using it a more comfortable experience. Number 2. Porter Cable Cordless Brad Nailer. If you need freedom of movement while you work, the Porter Cable PCC 790LA cuts the cord, running instead on a 20-volt lithium-ion battery. Typically, battery-powered nail guns don't offer as much punch as ones using an air compressor and hose, but for projects that use softer materials or shallower depths, a battery-operated nail gun is the way to go. Simply charge the battery, stick it into the nail gun, and you are ready to tackle most of the typical DIY projects around your house or yard. This cordless brad nailer is battery-powered, eliminating the need for a compressor, hose, or expensive gas cartridges. This nail gun is designed for portability. In addition to the cordless design, the weight of the tool is centered near the handle, which can help reduce hand fatigue during long projects. All of the common adjustments and releases like the depth adjustment and jam lever are tool-free. The 100-nail magazine uses 18-gauge nails. It includes a belt hook, so you can carry it with you while you work. Number 3. DeWalt 18-gauge Brad Nailer Kit. A good nail gun should be easy to use, long-lasting, and drive a nail quickly and cleanly without any issues. To do this, the nail gun needs to have a tough build and options you can customize while working. The DeWalt DWFP12231 checks all these boxes, making it our top pick. The sturdy construction means this tool is going to last, while the rubber grip helps absorb shock and keep your hands comfortable, even during a long work session. This is a reasonably lightweight nail gun with a sequential style trigger and rear exhaust vent that keeps dust and small particles away from you. This brad nailer runs off of a separate air compressor, hose, and uses 18-gauge nails ranging from 5/8 to 2 inches in length. It has a 100-nail working capacity and a lot of options to customize how you use the tool. You can control the nail depth with a simple tool-free adjustment. When you aren't using it, keep the tool hanging on your side with the included adjustable belt hook. Whether you need the tool for your job or for DIY projects done for your own enjoyment, this is the nail gun to choose. Number 4. New Max Pneumatic 2-in-1 Brad Nailer. This brad nailer is proof that some budget options don't skip out on features usually found only on far more expensive tools. One common feature many expensive nail guns offer is the ability to use multiple types of nails and brads. For a fraction of the cost, this gun gives you similar flexibility. Using either common 2-inch 18-gauge or 1-5/8-inch narrow staples, this is a great choice for DIY projects such as installing chair rails, crown molding, decorative trim, baseboards, or window casings. Another professional feature this gun includes is a no-mar tip. When working on delicate surfaces, this tip prevents the gun from digging in and doing major damage. That's a major plus when nailing into fragile materials such as decorative trims, baseboards, and various types of molding. Number 5. Bostitch Pneumatic Brad Nailer. This Bostitch BTFP12233 features one of the best tip designs you're going to find. It features Bostitch Smart Point technology, which incorporates a smaller nose design on the nailer, making it easy to place nails accurately. Unlike other brad nailers, you don't have to compress the tip to fire nails with it as well, which improves the accuracy and prevents denting of the workpiece. With the Bostitch BTFP12233, you can fire nails from 5/8 of an inch to 2 to 1/8 of an inch length easily. It will fire every nail flush into the wood, even when you're toenailing with it. It features a selectable trigger which allows you to choose between sequential and contact firing mode, depending on what you're comfortable with. All in all, this Bostitch BTFP12233 features everything a carpenter, home remodeler or cabinet maker needs to handle any type of project that involves the use of brad nails. Thanks for watching the video.